Russia's TASS news agency had reported yesterday that Sukhoi is developing a hypersonic single-engine stealth fighter jet with its internal funds, but the report also mentioned that the aircraft will have a maximum speed of more than Mach 2, which creates a lot of confusion on the hypersonic capability. Rostov Chief had stated in December 2020 that this single-engine stealth aircraft is being developed primarily for exports, and Russia and Rostov Corporation are both open to develop the single-engine stealth fighter jet with India, and interestingly, it will have a maximum takeoff weight of 18 tons, which is similar to the 17.5 tons of the Tejas Mark II. The Russian offer also comes at a time when the Indian Air Force needs 82 single-engine fighter jets and 28 dual-engine fighters under the MMRCA program. India has already backed out of the twin-engine Su-57 stealth fighter program, which has faced multiple delays and has also not yet received a single export order. Russia plans to use the systems developed for the Su-57 in this new single-engine stealth fighter, like the 180 kN class product 30 engines, radar-absorbing coatings, onboard radio electronic systems and weapons. The single-engine stealth fighter jet will have a smaller internal weapons bay, and most of its heavier payloads will be equipped on its external pylons, and will optimal for short-range air defense and surface attack missions. Russia will also target those countries who will be retiring their MiG-29 and F-16 in the next few years, as the Su-57 has turned out to be quite an expensive option for these countries. The Indian Army will soon receive 4 advanced Heron TP drones from Israel that will be deployed in the Ladakh sector and other areas along the line of actual control for keeping an eye on the Chinese activities, and they can also be armed if required by the forces. Officials have said that the first 2 drones will be delivered shortly, while the other 2 drones will be delivered after a gap of 3 months, and they have been leased for a period of 3 years with an option of another 2 years. The leased Heron TP drones are more advanced than the Heron drones in the existing inventory and comes with improved anti-jamming capability. The acquisition of these drones had been done under the 500 crore rupees emergency financial powers granted by PM Modi to the defense forces, and other mini drones are also being acquired from the US that will be provided to the ground troops at the battalion level. Israel has offered its mini Harpy tactical loitering munition to countries in the Asia-Pacific region including India. The mini Harpy offers detection of broadcast radiation with electro-optical capabilities, and targets radiation imaging platforms such as radar systems. It can be launched from a broad range of mobile land marine as well as helicopter-borne platforms, and provides complete independence in intelligence collection for an updated situational picture, and closes the attack circle at low cost, with full range from shallow to vertical attack angles. It is fully autonomous and is extremely quiet as it is electrically powered, and carries 8 kg warhead with mission range of 100 km. The Sri Lankan parliament has passed the controversial bill on the laws governing the $1.4 billion China-backed Colombo Port city, and this development comes even after legislators from opposition parties had challenged the provisions, as it infringes upon the country's sovereignty by creating a Chinese enclave, and gave the governing commission overarching powers and immunity from Sri Lankan law. After the lease of the Hambantota port to China for 99 years, the second strategic asset Colombo Port will now be under full Chinese control. Sri Lanka has also handed another key construction project for building a key expressway in its capital Colombo to a Chinese firm.